But we're going to go ahead and put the garbage disposal on now. It's pretty simple. We just slide it on there, and we just got to make sure we have this one side lined up with all these things that we need to put on there. So this and this have to be on this side because I've got to attach this back here. I got to attach that to that. So I've got to get it slipped in there so that these are facing that way. Here's the little clip. It slides right on here and locks in there. I've got to kind of aim it like this, and then I've got to get this little piece here, and then I might put my screwdriver in here and then turn it this way, and that should lock it down. All right, so this is going to come up here.
Need help?
Now, just got to figure out where it goes, get it on there. Okay, I think we got it on there. Yeah, that's it. I do believe we got it, don't we? Should be it, right? Okay, so that's there. Now, I get this on here. I wonder if I need to tighten that more. There we go. I think I got it tightened. Let's loosen this a little bit so we can get it on there. I think that's good, right? Let's tighten her down. We'll find out if I got this thing on right. That should do it. Let's put this way. Shove this under here. Huh. There we go. That's the ticket. And then we get it right about there. And now I can lock that down tight. And that should work. I hope. Find out. Oh, shit. Hit the camera. All right, let's get this side. That should be good. Try this one here. I think that should do it. Tighten that, baby. This one's already on. All right, all I gotta do now is I think plug it in. I don't remember. Damn it.
I'm confused because...
Well, there's 4 plugs and one of them is the garbage disposal, so I don't know which one it is.
So this is the light.
All right, let me see the garbage. All right, let's run some water through it and see if I did it right.
You have a bucket?
All right, we're doing it. I don't see any water.
When would we see it? Right away?
Yeah, you'd see it right away. Go ahead and turn the garbage disposal on. Is it draining?
Yes.
All right.
All good?
I think so.
All good?
Apparently. All right, and that's how you do it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.